Infamous Joel here, and I want to introduce you to a concept that you're going to come across in your business. This is very, very important. Chances are, this one concept, this one thing, is probably, if you've tried before, if you've tried to build a business online, build a stream of income online, and you've failed miserably, probably this is the reason why in this video right here. So make sure you watch the rest of this. I want to talk to you about battling with the devil. Okay, the devil's very real, especially in your business. And what I define as the devil in this, regardless if you're religious or not, you can probably bear with me here, is we all have this gunk, this stuff in our head from our childhood, these insecurities, these stories, the ways that we were brought up, teachers, parents, there's all kinds of muck in there. Enough to like sit down and have a whole therapy session. We don't have time for that right now. I just want you to know and understand the devil will appear in your business, and it will appear in this form. Okay? When you know the plan, when you know the strategy, and you know what you're supposed to do, the devil will appear and tell you, oh no, you have to study some more, you have to be perfect. Perfectionism is the devil. It's the devil. It's not going to ever be perfect. Remember what I said before, that the people who are consistent and they show up and they look stupid and it's sloppy, they're always going to get way better results than those of you who are sitting around trying to be perfect. It's just not going to happen. And there is no level that you get to, even at my level, where you're ever perfect. You guys are watching me right now. I stutter, I mess up, I trip over my words, oh man, I don't know what I'm talking about, I ramble. So what? I take action. And I know that at times when I'm like, I need this to be perfect, I know that's just the devil. Those are the things that stopped me a lot in the beginning. I thought I needed to be like everybody else. I needed to have my perfect camera set up, my this, my that. You don't need anything. You just need consistent, imperfect, sloppy action over a long period of time. Remember our momentum curve. Okay? That's all you need. Every time that little devil voice pops up and tells you you're not good enough, you're not perfect, you need to do this, you need to do that, and you're going to have the urge to go and buy another program, to go study some more, to sit back and, I need to wait till I have the right lighting or some stupid thing, the right gizmo, the right page, the right whatever. It's never going to happen. It's an illusion. It's just you running scared from the devil and you're letting him win. Never let the devil win. Okay? There's another part that the devil comes out, and that's when you actually do start taking action. You need to be focused in the beginning, and we'll talk about this more, on the skills that you're building, the experience that you're getting. You're leveling up like a video game. Okay? A lot of times what the devil will do is it'll throw in your face, oh, you don't have results yet. Oh, you didn't make $1 million. Oh, you've been working on this for 2 weeks. Haha, I told you you're stupid and you're not perfect and you're bad. And then you'll be frustrated, angry, and you'll start looking for things to blame. Maybe I am just dumb. Maybe it's this person's fault, that's fault, infamous Joel's fault. It's something's fault. And it's nobody's fault. It's a process. It's a process. Realistically, becoming wealthy, making significant amounts of money is a process. Every guru on earth, every celebrity on earth only shows you the highlights. That they were never an overnight success. Don't listen to the devil. Take joy in the journey. Take joy in the experience. Take joy in building the skills and getting better every single day. The devil will pop up in your business a lot, even when you're successful. You think that there's going to be a day when the devil you destroyed him and you won? Never will happen, ever. Even when I started making money, even when I started hitting 10K, 20K months, I was going out and spending it on dumb things, buying stuff on Amazon because I wanted to get back to where I was used to. I got back to my normal. I'm used to being broke and the underdog and all these. So I threw the money away. Why do you think that so many people who win the lottery here in the United States go broke after a year or two? All that money gone because they're not prepared for it. When you start making money, just get used to making money. Just get used to having it. Don't listen to the devil saying you don't deserve it. Throw it somewhere. Save it. Save it for your kid's college fund or something. Okay? The devil will always be there in your business. You have to beat the devil in one way and one way only, by taking action. Just go. Don't listen to the delusional voices and the things telling you need this, and you need this, you need this. Just close your eyes and go. You know what you need to be doing. Just do it. Even if it's sloppy, even if it's ugly, even if it looks like crap, even if you're not sure if it's even the right thing you're supposed to be doing, just do it. That's the only way the devil gets quieter and quieter and quieter, because he knows that you're not listening anymore. You're taking action. And that's very powerful. It's the only way to silence that voice. I'm the infamous Joel, and